How to change background color on Instagram story. So the first thing that you would need to do is log in into your account here in the Instagram app. And from here, you want to tap on the plus icon on your story, which is right here. Tap on that. And from here, just select the media that you would want to add to your story. For example, I'm just going to go with this one. And then from here, just tap on done on the top right if you're uploading a video. And then once you're here, you just simply need to find the draw option. So in my case, it is right here when I tap here. So tap here and tap on draw. And basically, you can just choose your color here, but let me just minimize my video here so that it will not get confusing right there. So next thing is that we're going to go back in here into draw. And from here, just choose the color of your background of your choice. For example, I'm going to go with green. And once you have selected the green color, you just simply need to tap and hold on the center, just like that. And as you can see, it has now changed into green. But the problem is our media or our picture or video has been covered. But don't worry, we have a solution. So just tap on done on the top right. And from here, you just need to tap on the stickers icon, which is this one right there. Tap on that. And from here, just simply tap on the add photos right here. So this one, the photo one right here, or the photo button, tap on that. And from here, you will now be able to add more photos into your post, or you could also go for others right here. You could go for music, mention, or whatsoever that you would want to add. So yeah, just tap here on photos, and let's say that I would want to add this one. And then I have just simply added a black screen, and just like that, I can now just reposition this in the post. And now I have my background changed in color, and then my media right here is not covered. So that's how you do it.